Today we are going to cook some taco meat. We're just going to use venison. We defrosted 3 pounds of venison meat, which is ground venison meat. I'm going to transfer this to my pan. Okay, my pan is only good for about 2 pounds of meat, so I have 2 pans out. I bring it to about medium heat-wise. For the taco seasoning, you can use whatever your preference. Sometimes I go to Cabela's and get their seasoning, and then other times we just get Old El Paso taco seasoning. And for these packets, it calls for 1 pound of meat per packet, so I have 3. Now what I found with venison is that on the directions on any of these taco seasonings, you'll see 2/3 cup of water. And I've noticed over the years that it's just too watery for whatever reason. So instead of using 2/3, I use 1/3 per packet. I find that it holds more of the taco flavor. If you've watched my previous video, you'll see that I used this. And I still don't know what it's called, so for this video, I'm just gonna call it a meat grinder. You're probably wondering why I'm making so much meat for just my husband and I and my 2 toddlers that don't eat much. And my husband, he goes to a life group with church, and they are doing taco bar night. So I had made pork carnitas last night, and I'm sending him with this meat as well. Okay, since that's done, I will bring this down to low and get my 1/3 cup water. Just my 1 packet for this pan. And 2 for this pan. Okay, and I'll just stir that up and then it'll be ready to go. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Chrystal. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell on the bottom as well, and then you'll get all the uploaded videos that come in the future. Thank you.